I've been thinking, what if affiliate marketing wasn't just about numbers anymore? What if it's about precision?
Interesting. You mean like targeting niche audiences with laser focus?
Exactly. That's where platforms like CustomGPT.ai are changing the
Right.
game. They're flipping the script on traditional affiliate marketing.
So it's not just about more clicks and sales?
No, not at all. It's about relevance. In today's saturated market, if you're not
Yeah,
relevant, you're basically invisible.
makes sense. But how does CustomGPT.ai fit into this?
Well, CustomGPT.ai uses AI to create hyper-targeted campaigns. It's like it's like having a personal assistant that analyzes behavior, predicts trends, and personalizes content for you.
Oh, wow. That sounds powerful. Can you give me an example?
Sure, instead of promoting generic products, affiliates can use CustomGPT.ai to identify untapped niches, craft tailored messaging, and optimize campaigns in real
Mm-hmm.
time.
So affiliates can be more efficient and effective?
Exactly. And here's the kicker, most people underestimate the role of scalability. AI-powered platforms like CustomGPT.ai can handle exponential growth without sacrificing performance.
Right. That's huge. But what about the actual affiliate program CustomGPT.ai offers?
Glad you asked. Their affiliate program offers up to 20% recurring commissions. It's not just a one-time payout, it's a long-term revenue stream.
Nice. And they focus on niche audiences, right?
Yes. Affiliates who target specific niches like SaaS startups or e-commerce businesses see higher conversion rates
Yeah.
because CustomGPT.ai solves specific pain points for those audiences.
But isn't the market saturated? How do you stand out?
Well, that's the tension, isn't it? By leveraging AI for hyper-personalization, affiliates can create campaigns that truly resonate. It's like being a needle that finds its own haystack.
Ha, good one. So, what are some key features of CustomGPT.ai that make it stand out?
Let me tell you, the platform offers real-time analytics, which means
Oh,
affiliates can adjust their strategies on the fly. Plus, it allows businesses to train the AI on their unique content, ensuring brand consistency.
personalization is expected these days.
Exactly. And CustomGPT.ai delivers. For instance, a Gitbook site using CustomGPT.ai can deliver tailored onboarding experiences by analyzing user behavior and adapting in real time.
Impressive. But what about the tools and support for affiliates?
They provide comprehensive marketing support, banners, email templates, you name it. And the onboarding is super easy. Even first-time affiliates can navigate the
That's
system.
reassuring. So, it's not just for tech savvy marketers?
Nope. And that's the beauty of it. The platform is intuitive, and they even have a dedicated support team.
Fantastic. Are there any strategies for maximizing revenue that affiliates should know?
Oh, definitely. Affiliates should focus on educating their audience, personalizing campaigns, and identifying target markets. Creating compelling
Right.
content is key.
Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. Instead of just selling, affiliates should educate and address specific pain points. For example, tutorials on how CustomGPT.ai improves customer service can significantly boost click-through rates.
Got it. What about using multiple channels?
Absolutely. Multi-channel marketing expands your reach. You can repurpose content across blogs, social media, emails, maximizing impact without extra effort.
Smart. And timing plays a role too, I assume?
Yes, syncing campaigns to create a sense of urgency can increase engagement. It's all about strategic planning.
Makes sense. Are there any challenges they might face?
Well, affiliates need to stay ahead of trends. AI is rewriting the affiliate marketing playbook. Traditional methods are out. Hyper-personalized campaigns are in.
True. So embracing AI is essential?
Exactly. It's not about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it with smarter tools.
Well said. This sounds like a game changer.
It really is. CustomGPT.ai is redefining what's possible in the AI affiliate space. The question is, are you ready to embrace it?
Absolutely.